On today's devlog, I would like to show you an old new project of mine called Paradise. To start off, I'll show you what bookmarks are. Instead of just being able to warp, I added a few macros that allows you to move from one place to another quickly. So if we just type Paradise, it will send you to Paradise. Likewise, if you just type home, it'll send you to your home. And there are a few other secrets like this. I revamped the tutorials a bit, and it looks kind of neat now. It should be more straightforward. People can basically just click on things. Also, I changed the home a bit. So right now we're in our room, but if we leave, we're inside the residence, where the lobby is. If we go inside the lobby, and inside the bookshelf, and inside the book, there's a list of verbs that are not listed in the commands. If we go back home to create our own little universe, alone, what alone does is basically it warps you to yourself, so you become a kind of loop, and it allows you to create a world where players from the outside cannot accidentally find your vessel. Add a few commands that let you interact with vessels and have them interact with each other. So if we create a cat and then create a table, you can now move the cat on the table. Previously you'd have to become the cat and move onto the thing, then become what you were before. Now you can actually move things around you, and that makes it much easier. I added a new feature that is kind of experimental, but it's kind of fun. So to use this, I'll create a new vessel. We'll call it Google. We're looking for a pirate, so we can do search for a pirate, and it will find the closest pirate. And there's a door, but the door is locked. I'm just trying to slowly bring the concept of locked and unlocked vessels and keys. Well, in this instance, I know exactly which key is required and where it is, so I'll go and get it. But eventually, people will be able to make keys and leave hints as to where the key might be. So let's just go get the key. I know the key is in my other vessel, so there's still the door. The door is still locked, but if I do inventory, it'll show you what is inside me, and inside me there's the key to the biblioteca, which is required to open this door. So now we're inside the biblioteca. Biblioteca is going to be the future site of a big construction, and this construction is going to be Borges' library. And to create it, I'm working on a language within Paradise called megastructure script, and what that allows me to do is to create procedural vessels. Vessels where you don't have to actually do, create vessel name. You have to use node code, and you can do, well, inside the room there's a kitchen, and inside the kitchen there's a knife, and something like this would create a bunch of vessels. Like, actually this would create a bunch of infinite vessels. So going inside the room will bring you inside the kitchen, will bring you inside the knife, will bring you back inside the room, and so forth. And this would allow for infinite vessels. And I'm trying to work on this now.